You cannot see my bun. I used a lot of primers. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Kashfia, in case you don't know me, and I hope সবাই ভালো আছো. So today is a very exciting day because today is a full Anastasia day. I'm going to test out the new Anastasia foundation and also the LUMINOUS setting powder. So I'm super excited. So if you guys are also excited, then keep on watching. Before anything, you guys need to see the packaging and what it claims to do. So this is a normal packaging, like silver color packaging, and when you open it, this is how the bottle look like. It is a normal glass bottle, and behind they wrote in a capital letter foundation, like no joke, this is foundation. Yes, you guys. All right, so this is $30 and it have 1 full ounce, which is like any standard foundation. It claims to be water resistant foundation that gives you a luminous, natural looking skin, and it have a medium coverage, long wearing, even without setting with a setting powder, which is really great. And it also claims to have no flashback. It comes in a 50 shade, and I am in the shade 365C. Actually, I'm not in the shade. I have no idea. I hope this is going to suit me, this color I mean, because I ordered online and I'm really sucks choosing my foundation shade. And when I'm gonna order it online, you know how disaster it can be. Alright, so today I'm going to do a little different, like that everyone is doing. One side is with brush, another side with beauty blender. That is not usual me. I love to apply my foundation with only beauty blender. I don't like with brush. Like, it's just, I don't like it. So I'm going to use this side brush and this side beauty blender. I just took one pump in my brush and now I'm going to apply. Alright, the color is a little bit dark, I guess. But I don't think it's really bad because I can really fix it with concealer. So far I really love the finish, and my skin look really dewy, and it is not so much tacky. Like normally luminous foundation is supposed to be a little bit tacky, but it is not that bad, which is really great. And my skin look really nice dewy. It's not over dewy, but something like nice glow. I really love it. Alright, and then the other side I'm going with a beauty blender. I also love the finish with the beauty blender. There is not so much of difference, but the coverage a little bit more in this side than this side, but everything almost same. It will look dewy and nice, and the feeling is almost same. I really love the finish. Feel like my skin like natural, and it is actually lightweight. You feel like you are wearing nothing, which is amazing. It don't have like so much coverage, but it is not bad. It is like medium coverage, but I still can see a little bit black spot I have in here. I just want to see if it is buildable, so I'm just gonna go with the foundation another time. Oh wow, okay, it is buildable because you can see I can see the spot. Like, it's not like I cannot see, but it is more better than the last time, so it is of course buildable. So I love the foundation. Overall I'm happy with the foundation. And now for the concealer. This launch really don't have any kind of concealer, or Anastasia don't have any concealer, so I'm going to test out another new concealer, which is the L'Oreal Infallible Longwear Concealer. I know there is a big difference. I'm using Anastasia foundation, I'm using a drugstore concealer. I mean, like, the price point is really different, but I really want to test out because I love the Infallible foundation, so I have a high hope for this. So I'm just gonna test it out. than my skin tone. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys what shade I'm using, right? Alright, I'm using 311, and there was no tester actually while I was buying this concealer, so I had to choose whatever I feel like this is going to work for me. So this is how I bought this. And about the finish, I really don't know how I feel about the concealer yet, and it is sitting a little bit like it is creasing a little bit right here, right under my eyes. Without that, like, obviously it's not my favorite concealer, but I need to really see if I love it or if I hate it. So for now, it is okay, just okay. Alright, now quickly gonna move to the setting powder. So these are the powder look like normal packaging. It have golden color. I really love golden colors, but we need to see what is inside. So this is how it look like. Guys, this is so big. Like, you need to compare it. Like, you see the bronzer and you see this one. Like, this is huge, like giant packaging, like giant. But I really like it because if you have a giant powder brush, you just can put all in it and then you just can use it if you want to use it, I mean. And this powder comes in 5 shades, and I had taken the banana one because lately I feel like the banana or yellow based powder look better in my skin tone than translucent powder. Is just my feeling. I feel like my under eye look way better. Alright, so we're just gonna see how it set my under eye. Oh wow, you guys see that? You guys can see this side and this side. Oh my god, it looked really smooth, and I didn't use any pore minimizing primer, but it really set in my pore and my skin look amazing. I mean, like, my under eye look amazing. So I definitely love the powder already. I love the finish, absolutely loving it. And the nice thing is I really didn't set my skin right here, here and here, but I feel like it set by itself, which is amazing, and it claims to do that. I really love it. I love the powder. I love the foundation as well. So far my skin is looking really great, though it is sitting a little bit here, the foundation, I mean. I don't know, the foundation or the concealer. I did a really big mistake of using the concealer right here because I feel like I'm not giving a fair judgment to the foundation. So I really don't know it's doing the foundation or concealer, but it is sitting a little bit here. But in other places, if I'm gonna talk about only foundation, then the other places that I use the foundation, it is looking perfect. I had a little bit dry skin right here, and I had a little bit dry skin right this place, but I can see nothing completely, and it's looking amazing. I love it. Alright, so now quickly I'm going to do my eyebrow, my eyes, my lashes, my bronzer, whatever left over. I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna fast the video. So my bronzer, my blush, my highlight, everything is done, and I love the way everything set in my foundation, in my face, above of the foundation. I really love it, and all the application was really smooth and nice above the foundation. But you guys, I don't really like the concealer because it's grazing under my eyes, though I'm a little bit confused. Whoa, there is a glitter in my eyebrow, like, okay, God, on. Alright, so though I'm a little bit confused about the concealer and the setting powder, but I'm pretty sure it's the concealer because the setting powder was really smooth under my eyes. It really filled my pore and it was looking good, but when I was doing all the highlight and bronzer and all the other thing, I feel like it is creasing under my eyes, which is not really nice, but it's okay. I'll be trying them more to know which one actually making the issue. Okay, now for the eyes, I'm not going to do anything like crazy look, so I'm just going for a normal eye look, and I'm going to use this BH Glam Reflected Gilded palette. Guys, I already know this palette. This is super shiny. I love the packaging. I am really in love with packaging, and if you guys don't know, this is how the palette look like. The colors are so pretty. I love and love and love every single thing in here. So I'm just going to do a simple look with this. Oh, I forgot to show you guys which color I'm using. So I'm using this light brown shade. So this is the finished complete look right here, and so far so good. I really love the foundation. It's been 2 hours that I'm wearing the foundation because 2 hours I'm doing this video, so 2 hours the foundation is sitting in my skin and still now it is looking perfect, glowy, natural. Everything was so nice to apply above the foundation. So yeah, I really love the foundation, guys. I also love the powder. I love the packaging, I think, more than the powder. no, I love the powder itself because it makes my under eye so smooth and poreless, like, which is magical because you don't need to use any more pore minimizing primer. This is everything you need. But the sad thing is I'm not going to do a wear test today because I'm doing this video pretty late. It is now 6:30 in the morning. I haven't slept. I just did this video, so I'm not going to do a wear test. Obviously I'm going to update you guys, and maybe I'll do a wear test some other day and I will post the result in my Instagram, so follow me there. Alright guys, so this is the end of this video. Finally we reached to the end and it was a really nice foundation day. I love this Anastasia foundation, and I actually love when I find a new nice foundation for myself, and I love testing out foundation. I love new foundation. I love foundation, so it was a very nice day and I love this foundation, so of course. Alright guys, so if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. I really appreciate it because I see a lot of people watch my video but don't subscribe, which is really painful. So please guys, do subscribe. I really appreciate that, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.